Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, that is Learn Computer Science with MaanikSSharma. Today I am going to share the working of two SQL statements, that is insert and insert all in Oracle environment. Initially we will understand the concept of insert and insert all statement. The practical session of these statements will be shown at the end of this video. Let us start now. Insert is a DML statement that is used to insert or add the rows, also known as tuples, in the table. The general syntax for the insert statement is insert into table name, values, bracket start, val1, comma, val2, so and so on, val-n, semicolon. Here val1, val2, val-n represent the values for the column 1, 2 and n of the table. For this session we will consider a table named as table 1, comprises of three different columns, that is ename, emp number and sal. Now if we want to insert a row in this table, that is table 1, then we need to write the statement like insert into table 1, values, bracket start, Maanik, comma 1234, comma 9000, bracket close, semicolon. Here Maanik, 1234 and 9000 are three different values that need to be separated with comma. The statement need to be terminated with semicolon. All the character values need to be enclosed in single quotes. However, the numeric value can be mentioned without any quotes. Here Maanik is a character value, therefore has been enclosed in single quote. Here Maanik correspond to ename, 1234 is emp number and 9000 is sal. The screenshot before and after execution of insert statement has been shown for your reference. One can observe that initially before insert statement there are 14 rows in table 1. After insert statement, one row has been successfully added. Now there are 15 rows in table 1. It should be noted that one has to give the value correspond to each and every column of the table. If you do not give all the values, the Oracle will generate an error, not enough values. As insert is a DML statement, therefore like delete statement, it can also be rolled back. For more information regarding delete and rollback operation, you can watch my previous video on it. The link for the same has been given in the description section of this video. The insert statement can also be used to insert the partial row or a tuple in a table. However, in this case, one has to first mention the name of the column for which the value have been mentioned. The syntax for the same is insert into table name, bracket start, column 1, column 3, column 6, bracket close, values, val1, val3 and val6. Here col1, col3 and col6 represent the name of the column for which we want to insert the value. It can be different as per the need and requirement. In this case, we are going to insert the value for three columns, that is col1, col3 and col6. For example, if we want to insert the value for the ename and salary in the table 1, that is we do not want to fill the value for emp number, then we need to write and execute the insert statement like insert into table 1, bracket start, ename, comma sal, bracket close. That means we need to mention the name of the column before giving the values. Then values Maanik 2, comma 23,000. Bracket close, semicolon. This statement will successfully add a partial record in the table 1. The screenshot before and after execution of the partial insert statement has also been shown for your reference. One can observe that after partial insertion, one partial row has been added that has ename and salary. However, there is no value for emp number. It need to be noted that with the help of simple insert statement, one is able to insert one row at a time only. If one has to insert the multiple row in a table using one single statement, then we need to use another statement, that is insert all statement. The Oracle insert all statement is used to insert multiple row with a single insert statement. You can insert number of rows into one table or multiple table by using one single statement. The general syntax for the same is insert all into table name, bracket start, column 1, comma, column 2, so and so on, column n, values expression 1, comma, expression 2 and expression n, another row into table name, column 1, column 2, column n, values again into table name, column 1, column 2, column n, values, bracket start, expression 1, comma, expression 2, expression n. At the end we need to write select star from dual, semicolon. In this case, if you want to insert 3 rows, then you need to write into statement by 3 times. For example, if we want to insert 3 rows in a table 1 simultaneously, then we have to write and execute the statement like insert all into table 1, bracket start, ename, comma, emp number, comma, cell, bracket close, values, Maanik 1, comma, 1000, comma, 10,000, bracket close, into table 1, ename, comma, emp number, comma, cell, bracket close, values, Maanik 2, 1001, 11,000, bracket close, into table 1, ename, comma, emp number, comma, cell, bracket close, values, bracket start, Maanik 3, 1002, comma, 12,000, bracket close. At the end we need to write select star from dual. Let us see how these statements are actually executed in Oracle. Before starting actual insert statement, let us see how table 1 has been created and what are its content. For this we need to use create statement. If you are not comfortable in create statement, then please see my video on create table, in which different methods to create a table has been discussed. The link for the same has also been mentioned in the description of this video. Now let us create table 1. So we need to write create table 1 as select ename, comma, emp number, comma, cell from emp, semicolon. So table has been created. So let us see the content of table 1 by using select statement, that is select star from table 1. Now these are the contents in the table 1, that is we have ename, emp number and cell. Now let us see how the insert statement will work. So for this, if we want to insert a new row in this table, so we need to write insert into table 1, values, Maanik. We need to put in single quote as discussed earlier, comma, we need to mention the emp number, and then salary we need to give 9,000, and you know all the statements are terminated with semicolon. So one row has been created. The message is showing. The same can be verified by using the select statement. We can write like select star from table 1. So now you can observe that there are 15 rows in this table. For partial insertion, we need to write, and let me clear the screen first. I am using clear screen command for the same. Now for partial insertion, we need to write insert into table 1. Insert into table 1. Then we need to mention the name of the columns, that is ename and cell, and then we need to mention the values for the same, that is Maanik 2, comma, 23,000. Now one row has been created. Let's verify this by writing the select star from table 1. Now you can observe that there are 16 rows. One partial row has been created successfully, in which we have ename and salary. There is no value for EMP number. Now to execute the insert all statement that is meant for multiple row insertion, we need to write the statement like insert all into table 1 ename EMP number comma cell values, say Maanik 1 need to be enclosed in single quote, 1000, 10,000, again into table 1 ename EMP number comma cell values Maanik 2 1001 11000, again into table 1 ename EMP number comma cell values, say Maanik 3 1002 12000, and then we need to write select star from dual at the end. So you can observe that 3 rows has been created successfully. To verify the same, let's execute the select statement. So let us first clear the content of this screen. So select star from table 1. So now you can observe that there are 19 rows in this table now. 3 rows has been created successfully. So I hope that each and every aspect will be clear to all of you. For more updates and technical insight of computer science, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.